Thank you.
Aloha! Welcome to Cahppy's Tiki Bar. I'm Cahppy and this is Fuge. Today we have Appies with Cahppy by the Lake Balaton Hungary edition. So we're all the way out on Lake Balaton, a couple hours outside of Budapest, Hungary. First up, I'll show you the drink I made. This is just a... Oh, come on, Fuge. It's not so bad. It's not so bad, darling. I suppose I should mention Fuge's substituting in for Mookie. Mookie will be back next week. What I made is a muskmelon daiquiri. I'll put the ingredients up, but the star of the show is the Sarga Dinnye, which is a Hungarian sort of cantaloupe liqueur, and it's just fantastic. All right, so coming up next, we're gonna head over to Lake Balaton, which is just a few feet away from me, and we're gonna have Appies with Cahppy by the lake, so check it out.
Sometimes there's a need for such a remedy.
The Viking friend is a good friend to have. Your Holiness.
What are you looking for answers?
I don't know for questions. Just a matter of time before I discover your secret.
We are surrounded by Christians. They burden these walls with blood.
Ega Shegara, and welcome to Hungary, my friends. I'm just on holidays on beautiful Lake Balaton in the country of Hungary, and because there's a beautiful lake just over here, I figured we'd have some Appies with Cahppy by the lake. Make sure you stay to the very end where I'm reunited with my little chihuahua Mookie. So for appetizer today, I have a lovely assortment of Hungarian salami and a little bit of hard cheese. So of course we need a beverage to go with our Appies with Cahppy by the lake. So I'm going to do a cherry sangria today. So I got a nice big pitcher. And if you're doing a pitcher of sangria, it's important to not put ice in. It'll just dilute it so you can pour it over the ice. And I have made other videos where I've frozen, say, a block of juice and put that in the pitcher of sangria. That's also a good idea. So let's start out with, I have some cut up limes and lemons. And this is a cherry sangria, so fresh cherries would have been nice, but I'm in the middle of a foreign country, so I take what I can get. All right, and then we're gonna do a full bottle of nice red wine. Looks like it, oh, this is a Spanish red wine, which would be perfect for sangria. Okay, and it's a cherry sangria, so I got some nice cherry juice. This looks like it is Hungarian. Happy Day Kirsche Cherry, it says. And normally I do like 1 or 2 ounces of brandy, but I'm going home, so I might as well use the whole bottle. Or, well, I got half a bottle of Napoleon brandy. And then, whoopsie. We'll go a little bit of OJ. Not too much because it makes it all cloudy. And then I got some raspberry juice as well. We'll just top that off. And that, my friends, is my cherry sangria to go with my Hungarian salami. Now let's go check out that lake. Thanks for watching another episode of Cahppy's Tiki Bar. I'm Cahppy and this is Fuge. What's that, Fuge? Fuge says life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes goes the other way. See you next time on Cahppy's Tiki Bar.